The following will show you how to make repairs to MDC Slate FX for both larger and smaller areas. MDC Slate FX Repair, larger area. Make necessary repairs if needed and spot prime with suitable primer. For drywall, use 100% acrylic primer sealer. Begin by taping off an irregular shape pattern around the area to be repaired. Tearing the tape in half lengthwise will help to create less of a ridge. Hang plastic far enough beyond the repair area so that when sprayed, no additional fleck will be added to the existing area. Using a razor blade, cut the plastic from the area to be repaired, making sure you do not go beyond the tape perimeter. Apply MDC base coat. 2 coats are usually required. Be sure to completely cover all the area within the tape section. Allow the base to dry. Following all manufacturer's safety and application instructions, set up spray equipment and apply a quick, light pass of the FX Effect Coat. Carefully pull back plastic masking and compare to existing finished area. It is recommended that this be done in light passes and gradually work your way to the proper density. Once density is matched, immediately remove all masking. If a ridge is left behind the edge of the masking tape, it can be carefully knocked down by dragging the edge of a razor blade across it. For small repairs that are golf ball size or smaller, make repairs to the substrate as needed. Prime with suitable primer, and then apply the slate base coat. Load a small plastic bristle scrub brush with Slate FX and flick the excess material off. Then move to repair area and flick the material on the area needing repair. Be careful not to overdo it or add to the existing area that is already complete. For more information on any of the MDC finishes, please go to mdcwall.com or call 800-621-4006 extension 4.